You can now schedule twice as many work orders in half the time. With the new work order module, you can see all your work orders categorized by vendor. Within each vendor module, you can see what is pending, in progress, completed, and closed. Each work order is drag and drop. You can simply move any work order into the correct status. Move it from unassigned to pending, or from pending to in progress, or drop into completed, and it'll send a message to the tenant so they can confirm that this work order was actually done. And click any work order to see the details and add a work session. By clicking the plus sign on the work session, you can schedule a date and a time for the work order, which leads us to scheduling. Click at the top under scheduling, or to the right of the module to schedule a work order. Here you see a broad calendar view of all the work orders scheduled for the week. If a work order is unscheduled, you can easily drag and drop. It'll send a message to the vendor and the tenant so everyone knows this work order is happening. Easily move any work order to a new date or even have them happen at the same time. And hover over any work order to see the urgency and the status. And each work order is color-coded, so you can see what's pending, in progress, completed, or closed at calendar view. Also click on any date to view that week's calendar. Click a work order to see the details again, and if the vendor was unable to finish it in one session, you can add another session on another day at another time. Now you see this same work order has 2 scheduled dates. You can also click on any work order and view the details to see a work order history, with dates, status updates, and who made the change. Property managers are already saving hours by using the new work order system, so go try it out for yourself.